Hi, I'm Rhonda from the Rhonda Gustitus Team at Keller Realty. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to give a couple tips on curb appeal. Curb appeal is such an important thing when you're thinking about selling your home or you just want to have pride in your home. One of the things when we're showing properties, we stand back at the street and take a look at the home. And as we're looking, we look at the driveway and the walkway and everything about the home. So the first thing, the driveway, if it has weeds coming through the little cracks and things like that, sometimes it kind of gives us an idea that, this house might not be well maintained. But if the driveway is pressure cleaned and nice and fresh and the front lawn is manicured, there's no weeds, looks really nice, we start to get a little bit excited as to what's going to be inside. So as we walk up to the home, we're looking at the color of the paint, we're looking to see that it's fresh and clean. We're looking at the landscaping around the home. If you remove some of the dead plants and trim up the shrubs nice, maybe add a couple of bright colored shrubs around the house. I know a lot of people now are taking their old numbers off of the home for their address and adding these new modern numbers. That looks really nice. And then sometimes just painting the front door a nice fresh color. And then what I like best is adding a nice welcome mat. Brand new welcome mat as you're coming into the home. Another thing too, check the gutters. Make sure your gutters are nice and clean. There's nothing on the roof. No debris around the yard, no toys, no old cars, things like that. Just everything all tucked away. You'll definitely get a bigger bang for your buck for sure. And the buyers do get really excited to see what the inside looks like. So keep those things in mind. They don't cost much money to do these little added improvements, but it'll really make your house shine. So I'm Rhonda Gustitus, and as you know, real estate's a dream with the Rhonda Gustitus Team. Hope to hear from you. Bye.